I am August 88. I'd say it's hip hop, neo soul, jazz influenced. It's a collection of my mind and my heart and, you know, all the poems of my life. We are going to be listening to stories of identity, stories about love, about heartbreak, about, you know, my vessel, my body. Yeah, just keeping it kind of real, keeping it real.
There's a song from my childhood. Nobody remembers it, but I remember the little phrase, and it's not even words, because language is beyond comprehension through intellect, right? So maybe that one, because it's just stayed with me.
Una compilación de crónicas periodísticas latinoamericanas de Jaramillo Agudelo.